So I was just out running on the street with all the snow and the ice, and a lot of times people wonder, like, why do you run in the wintertime? And for many different reasons, but for one of them is because it works on my balance. See, the ground is not always going to be perfectly clean and straight, and sometimes it's unstable. Sometimes, and many times actually it is like that. So I like purposely to go out and work on that, and I'm aware that the ground is a little bit more slippery, but I'm also aware that I'm working on it. And working on your balance is super important. It has been shown that it's your legs, it's your body, it's your core, but it's really a connection between your body and your brain. And whenever you're doing any exercise like that, it is very helpful for your overall health. So another thing that I like to do is just practice on balance. So a lot of times I'll just stand on one leg and I'll just kind of give myself little challenges. Or if I'm playing with my kids, I'll ask them to try to push me down, and I'm just practicing to stand on one leg. And then the last thing that I really have a lot of fun is I have this little bar that I stand on, and I just practice balancing myself. And I'll squat a little bit. And it's fun, and it's just like to practice to stand on one leg. I'll do the other leg, and I'll just try to stay still. And it's actually fun. So I would encourage you to do some balance work, because with time, as you get older, you hear this all the time: I don't feel very comfortable to go outside, I'm starting to lose my memory, my balance, my brain. It's all brain work. And one simple way that you can improve your brain is to work on your balance. All right, talk to you later.